their fingers crossed for you to break the rules. And in the evening, to the wise and uprooted.